Hello friends, welcome back to Huawei AS. Welcome to the discussion on daily MCQ. Today is 29th of September 2021 and now we are going to discuss 5 MCQs which are important for the prelims. Now let's begin. First let us discuss the question that was asked yesterday, and yesterday's question was, which among the following is not a Ramsar site? A. Pulicat Lake, B. Kieledu, C. Loktak Lake, and D. None of the above. And the correct answer is D. None of the above. All the above three are Loktak Lake. All the above three are Ramsar sites. The Pulicat Lake is in Andhra Pradesh, the Kieledu is in Rajasthan, and the Loktak Lake is in Manipur. So all these three are part of the Ramsar site. Okay, and another important thing is the Kieledu and Loktak, both of them are part of the Monterey Record. Okay, so Monterey Record contains those sites which needs protection. You can remember like that. And earlier Chilika Lake also used to be part of the Monterey Record. Chilika Lake is in Odisha. Now it is removed from the Monterey Record. Okay. Now let's move on. Guys, as you know, daily we upload MCQs. As prelims is approaching, we are giving MCQs which are important for the prelims. Okay. Or else normally we give daily current affairs. So do make the best use of these initiatives and follow our daily initiatives so that you can make the best use of this and you gain the maximum for the prelims. Now let's look at the first question. The first question is, the Judima, a homemade rice wine, recently received GI tag, belongs to A. Nagaland, B. Assam, C. Kerala, and D. Goa. You have to choose the correct option, and the correct option is B. Assam. Judima, basically, if you see, it's a homemade rice wine of Assam's Dimasa tribe and has become the first traditional brew in all of Northeast to bag a GI tag. So as the places and the GI tags, it is very important, so we have given this question. The Judima is basically a rice wine made from sticky rice which is steamed and mixed with a traditional herb called thembra. The wine is speciality of the Dimsa tribe, and it belongs to Assam. And if you see this wine, basically it has a very distinct sweet taste, and it takes about 1 week to prepare this wine, and it can be stored for many years. It's a local traditional drink. The citizens wanted to brand it and ensure that it is preserved for the future, and that's why they formed a group and applied for this GI tag. So remember, the Dimsa tribe belongs to Assam, and the Judima basically is a wine belonging to Assam made by this Dimasa tribe. Okay. Now let's look at the second question. The second question is, Agastyavanam Biological Park is a wildlife sanctuary located in A. Maharashtra, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Kerala, and D. Karnataka. Agastyavanam. So as the name suggests, if you see, even if you don't know the location, the name suggests it has to be part of South India. That means you can eliminate A and B directly. So if you observe carefully, Agastyavanam, these kind of names generally will appear in Kerala. The correct answer is option C, Kerala. So a recent initiative titled Vanika by the Kerala Forest and Wildlife Department has enabled the tribals living in the Agastyavanam Biological Park to sell their agriculture and forest produce online. It was established in 1997. The Agastyavanam Biological Park is a wildlife sanctuary near Trivandrum, Kerala. Trivandrum is the capital of Kerala, and the park has been named after mesmerizing Agastya Malai, Agastyakonda peak that can be seen at the distance. Okay, and the park is contiguous of the Nayar and Peppara wildlife sanctuaries, and the park forms part of the larger protected area of the Agastya Malai Biosphere Reserve. Now let's look at the next question, the third question. The Sinai Peninsula is a peninsula in Egypt and is only part of the country which is located in Asia. Second one, Sinai is located between Mediterranean to the north and Red Sea to the south. So here you have to choose the correct option. A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, and D neither 1 nor 2. So the correct answer is C, both 1 and 2. Both 1 and 2 are the correct answers. So the Sinai Peninsula, if you see, so this it will be somewhat like this. Here you have Africa, okay, and this is known as Sinai Peninsula, and this is the Arab, okay. So this is how it is there, and this small part is nothing but the Sinai Peninsula. So recently the Egyptian army launched raids and air attacks targeting a terrorist hideout in Bir al-Abed, Rafah, and Sheikh Zuweid in the Sinai Peninsula area. So that's why the Sinai Peninsula was in use, and that's why it becomes important for us to look at its map. The Sinai Peninsula is a peninsula in Egypt and is only part of the country which is located in Asia. The rest of the part of the country is part of Europe. Egypt is majorly located in Africa, part of Africa, not Europe. Okay, Egypt is majorly located in Africa. Sinai is located between Mediterranean Sea to the north and the Red Sea to the south, and is a land bridge between Asia and Africa. So this is a land bridge between Asia and Africa. And the Sinai Desert, as the Sinai Peninsula's arid expanse is called, is separated by the Gulf of Suez and the Suez Canal from the eastern desert of Egypt, but it is continuously eastward into the Negev Desert without marked change of relief. It is linked to African continent by the Isthmus of Suez. The Suez Canal you have, and the Suez Canal also connects the Red Sea to the Mediterranean Sea. Remember this. Now let's look at the next question, the fourth question, which is the common to the two historical places known as Ajanta and Mahabalipuram. Which of the common is common? Okay, you can say the features which are common to both Ajanta as well as the Mahabalipuram. It's a previous year CSE question of 2016. First one, both were built during the same period. Second one, both belongs to the same religious domination. See, both have rock cut monuments, so you have to choose the correct option. So if you look at the statements carefully, the second statement says that both belongs to the same religious denomination. This is a wrong statement because the Ajanta caves, if you see, they belong to Buddhism. The caves, you have the inscriptions of Buddha, inscriptions related to Buddhism and all. So if you see the options, we have to eliminate option 2. So option 2 is eliminated. So you have B and C. So another important thing is that both Ajanta and Mahabalipuram, they're not built in the same period. So the first one is also wrong. So B3 only is the correct answer. So the Ajanta caves in Aurangabad district of Maharashtra are about 30 rock-cut Buddhist cave monuments which date from 2nd century BC to about 450 or 650 CE. Although there is some evidence of architectural activity going back to the period of Mahendravarman I, the father of Mamala, most of the monuments are attributed to the period of Narasimhavarman I, Mamala, who is the Pallava ruler. Ajanta caves were excavated during different periods, and Ajanta belongs to Buddhist religion. And while Mahabalipuram, if you see Mahabalipuram, it has carvings related to Arjuna's penance, the Jalasaya Perumal temple, etc. It is mostly related to the Vaishnavites. Both are rock-cut monuments because of the cave-cut Chaitya, Vihara, Stupa are found in the Ajanta caves. So what are Chaitya, Vihara and Stupa? Do go and visit your Buddhism notes. So basically stupas, basically these are the places of worship, and viharas are the rest places and all. Okay, just go and have a look at them, because Buddhism, as you know, is very important from the examination point of view, and every year questions are directly coming from Buddhism. Now let's look at the fifth question. Which of the following is very important seaport in the Kakatiya kingdom? A. Kakinada, B. Motupalli, C. Machilipatnam, and D. Nelluru. It's a previous year CSE question of 2017. Machilipatnam, if you see, this is a seaport used by the Golconda kingdom. So the C has to be wrong. And Kakatiya, this year Kakatiya is very important because Ramappa temple was given a UNESCO World Heritage Site tag, Ramappa temple, which was built during the Kakatiya dynasty, during the Kakatiya time. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is B. Motupalli. Okay, so Motupalli was the famous trading seaport of the Kakatiya. Marco Polo, the famous Venetian traveler, visited this Kakatiya kingdom through this port, and he wrote about the prosperity and the power of the Andhra Desha in his travelogue. The Machilipatnam port served as a principal seaport for the Golconda kingdom, and the Motupalli port served as a seaport for this Kakatiya kingdom. Now let's look at the question of the day. The question of the day is, which of the following formula is used to determine the MSP? MSP is the minimum support price. The minimum support price is given by the Government of India on the recommendation of the CACP, Commission for Agricultural Cost and Prices, and it is approved by whom? Do give your answer in the comment box. Who approves this MSP? Okay. So here the options are A. A2 plus FL, B. A2 plus FL into 1.5, C. C2 into 1.5, D. C2 plus C2 into 1.5. Do give your answer in the comment box, and tomorrow we will discuss this question, right? And guys, as you know, we provide the summaries for Vision Prelims Test Series, Vision PT365, Vision Mains Test Series, and Vision Monthly Magazine. These summaries will definitely help in your preparation, as the time for the exam is very less, and now is the time for revision. So do make the best use of this initiative, because this will definitely help you in the exam, because you have to cover the maximum in a minimum time. So that's it guys from my side. I'll see you again tomorrow with 5 more MCQs. Till then, keep studying and stay tuned. Jai Hind.